This is my cousin's new school. It's called Superhero High. This morning she'll show us around.
First, I'll put my uniform on. This is our headmaster, Mr. Kent's office.
Hello. Have you seen my pen?
He's very strong.
Let's go to my first class. This is the How to Get Dressed and Undressed in a Telephone Box class.
Try again, Peter.
Wow, and I thought maths was difficult.
Quick, the next class is starting.
Which class is it?
It's the How to See Through Walls class.
Okay, Rania. How many pens is Brad holding?
7?
No.
I can't see any pens.
Try these special glasses.
3?
Well done. That's correct.
This is my favorite class. We learn how to fly in here. It's lunchtime. Let's eat.
You really have a great school. Everything is super.
Not everything is great. Wait until you taste the food.
I think you need a super chef too.